Want to master Drawings Pro 12? Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can unlock the full potential of your software with our comprehensive free video training course. Getting started is easy. Simply head to our website and go to the Learn Embroidery menu. Select Videos, find the Drawings Pro 12 training, and click on Start Learning. You'll be asked to log in using the serial number of your USB or software key. Make sure you have registered your software first. Inside, you will find over 230 training videos covering everything you need to know. You can expand or collapse the video categories to keep things organized. This interface is your interactive assistant helping you learn faster and smarter. When you're ready, simply select a video to begin. If you'd like captions, just click the CC icon to turn the subtitles on. Want to revisit a moment or jump ahead? Use the progress bar to move through the video. You can also choose subtitles in your preferred language. As soon as the video finishes, it will be automatically marked as complete. You can move forward using the right arrow button. A check mark will appear next to the completed videos in the list. If you already know the material, you can mark a video as complete and continue to the next one. And if you'd like to skip a video, just press the right arrow again. If you need more details, many videos come with a knowledge base article or project post attached. You can read the full article by clicking here. You can hide or show this extra info with a single click. The course speaks your language. You can change video titles and descriptions to your preferred language instantly. If you're looking for a specific tool, use the Smart Search to find the exact video you need right away. Your progress is tracked and saved, including your most recently watched video. When you log in again, you'll continue right where you left off. This keeps you organized and helps you resume faster, right from where you stopped. You can check your course progress anytime. If you'd like to start over, click Reset to clear your progress. Learning professional embroidery software has never been this easy. But if you ever get stuck or find something you can't do, please contact us. We're happy to help you create your best work.